A lot of people ask us what they can get as far as pain and suffering damages in a car or motorcycle accident. And the answer is it depends on whether you're in a car or in a motorcycle. In a car, your lawyer is going to have to prove permanent injury in order to obtain pain and suffering damages for you. While on a motorcycle, if you're a passenger on a motorcycle or driving a motorcycle, you're entitled to the pain and suffering that your injury caused, whether or not it's permanent. So if you lay your bike down and you have road rash, you're entitled to recover for the pain of that road rash or bruises or anything else. So that's the main difference. They're treated very differently in Florida.